I'm absolutely delighted to be here tonight because I think this is an area of engineering which is absolutely underappreciated. Tonight is important for highlighting imaginative ways that some very different problems have been tackled, and some of the solutions have been so elegant. There's a real buzz in the room, and I think the thing is, when you've got a gathering of experts, obviously people do want to win and to be the one up there on the stage collecting an award, but there is an appreciation of why, if you haven't won, another company or another individual has. It's been absolutely fantastic to be here tonight. I've enjoyed meeting people, I've enjoyed hearing about their projects, which vary enormously. But the one thing I really hope is that I've managed to persuade some of them to come along to my Teen Tech events so that they can help young people understand about an area of engineering I know they will never have realised existed. The thing which is so special about this event tonight is that the ANC has brought the industry to life.
It's been very interesting this year because we've had big projects, small projects, all reflecting different aspects of the acoustical business and reflecting the differences within our work in the acoustical field. And all of them demonstrate the ingenuity of our members. It's a great atmosphere in the room. I enjoy coming to these things, really love being here. I'm here amongst my friends and my colleagues and my peers, and it is a wonderful event.
The ANC Awards are very important because they're an opportunity to showcase all of the good work that acousticians do, and that is important in terms of the health and well-being of individuals in the UK. I'd offer my congratulations to all the winners of tonight's awards. These are the winners of the ANC Acoustic Awards.